You can advertise your Facebook post and link posts to generate engagement using Facebook advertising and select Create Advert. You then proceed to select your marketing objective, which is engagement. Select one of the three types of engagements which best suits your objective. Post engagement is targeting those who are likely to like, comment, and share your post. Page likes are targeting those who are most likely to like Facebook pages, while event response are targeting those who click to attend events. Give your advert set a name. Then fill in the details of your audience, which includes A. Location, B. Age, C. Gender, D. Language, E. Detailed targeting. Determine where you want your ads to be placed at. You are recommended to only place your ads on Facebook Newsfeed. You want to select Edit Placements and uncheck everything except FB Newsfeed. The reason you're doing this is so that you know which placement is working for you and which isn't. If you put all placements, Facebook cycles through each different placement to get the best results for you, but sometimes it may not be the platform you want. The result takes slightly longer to achieve because Facebook will need some time to optimize your campaign. The next important step is to determine your budget and schedule. For beginners, the recommended budget is $3 to $5 a day for 3 days to monitor the engagement and results of the campaign. Select a schedule for your campaign, whether you want to run it continuously or have an end date. Leave bid amount to automatic. Only use manual bidding if you know how much video views are worth to you. When you enter into bidding, the one who is the highest bidder will have their ad shown to the audience. Now click Continue and select your Facebook page. Select an existing post and click Confirm. You're done. Your ads will go through a review process with Facebook to ensure that it is compliant with Facebook policies. Once it's approved, the ad will run and you will get either a like, comment, or a share on your post.